guys, this is Souramita. Welcome back to my channel. Today we will draw a doodle art and I will be using ball pens for that. Well, I went to this place for picnic with our Gurudev and this place called Brahmakunda. It's a picnic spot in my state, Tripura. We went there and had lots of fun. It was actually a Krishna Van Bhojan with our Gurudev. So, after coming back to home, it came to my mind that let's draw something from that day. And I went to the pictures and videos of that day, and then I came up with a few pictures, and then I started drawing with it. So, in this drawing, I'll be drawing our Gurudev in the middle, and I don't have guts to draw him directly with pen. So what I'm doing is first I'm drawing the outline with a pencil and then I'll do the complete drawing with pen. The main attraction of the Brahmakunda was that the kunda had so many water lilies in it, and a few disciples of Gurudev fetched those water lilies for him, and we took pictures of our Gurudev with these water lilies, and we took our pictures with him also. So I thought that let's draw our Gurudev with those water lilies. It's a perfect picture for my drawing. It's the main attraction of my drawing actually. When I was thinking about what to draw on that picnic day, so suddenly this thing came up in my mind that I have seen artists drawing doodling on my day. So I thought that let's doodle my day. Tell me in the comments if it was a good decision or not. Then I took this picture of Brahmakunda where you can see there are so many water lilies and it looks so aesthetic. So I am drawing this on the left side of Gurudev, and this will make our drawing look very beautiful. You can see there are so many water lilies, so I'm drawing lilies and lilies and lilies. And now I'm drawing this picture of Gopal, which is on the left corner side, and you can see in the picture there are so many idols of Gopal which are kept in a row. So the disciples brought their Gopal from their houses and they kept all together, and then we did puja also, there was kirtan also. And then I have taken this picture of the disciple who was holding the water lilies, and I'm drawing the water lilies on another side of the photo so that this photo looks more aesthetic. And I'm moving towards the another attraction of that place. It was the tea garden. So my outline is ready, and now I'll continue my drawing with a black ball pen. The paper which I'm using is a sketchbook from DOMS, and it is easily available in any offline shop. And the ball pens which I'm using are the regular ball pens which we usually get in any stationery shop. So guys, you can see that how I'm drawing with a pen on those pencil lines, and I am also keeping an eye on the basic photo which I've taken so that I don't mistake any part and my picture looks appropriate. And gradually I'll outline every part of my drawing with this black ball pen, and after that I'll shade a few parts with coloring pen and the rest I'll keep with the black pen. So basically I'll shade our Gurudev, the skin part of our Gurudev, with coloring pen, and also the lilies which our Gurudev is holding, I'll also shade them with coloring pens, and the rest of the picture I'll keep it as it is. That means it's not like that I won't shade. I'll shade, but I'll shade using the black pen only. Also, while drawing with the pen, I'm adding more details, more intricate designs also while drawing with the pen. And also, I'm very careful that my pen lines don't overlap each other, else it will look messy. So guys, keep watching how I'm drawing with this pen. After completion of outlining with the pen, I am erasing the pencil outlines, and then I have taken a pen. Since I have not used this pen a very long time, so the ink has become a little bit dry. So I rubbed it on the paper, a rough paper actually, and then I started drawing on the actual drawing, which I will be drawing. So many times I have said drawing. Like I am using the pen on my drawing, and former to that I have like rubbed the pen on a like rough paper. So for drawing the skin I'm using an orange pen, and in my pen set I don't have a yellow color. So for the yellowish tones of the skin I'm using a yellow colored pencil, and the pencil is from Doms and the pen set is from Pentonic. I'm gradually building up the shades on the screen from lighter to darker tones, and for that first I put lighter pressure and then I am switching to more depth, more deeper pressure. And also I have used brown pen for more shadows, and for the hair I'm using black pen. I accidentally put more pink on the lips, so I used a white jelly roll pen to remove some of that. And also, I used this white jelly roll pen for removing some of the black hair, also because it looks too much black, which is actually not in the picture. So now I'm drawing the water lilies which Gurudev is holding, and for the texture of the water lilies I have used a pink color for the base, and then I'm gradually adding more values, like I'm gradually adding more shadows with this pink, and for the darkest shadows I have used the same brown color. Also I'll add more and more details on the water lilies. Keep watching how I'm drawing each and every petal of these water lilies gradually, and this is such a satisfying process. The each and every tiny detail which we draw gives life to our painting actually, and that's why I love drawing details, because this process is so satisfying. When I draw this, it's like that, yeah, I have done this part, and this part looks so much vibrant, so much natural. Also I'm keeping the reference pictures in my mind while drawing the water lilies, and in this way I'll gradually fill each and every part of this drawing. Keep watching how I'm drawing this, and you will get to know that how I'm shading each and every part of this drawing with pen. एंड वीडियो अगर अच्छा लगे तो लाइक एंड शेयर कर देना, एंड चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना.